can recognize the team is at the forming stage. Good thing you don't have to. The team's automatically here. You start at this stage. The forming stage is the beginning. But in order to progress, you need to know and identify behaviors within the team and change your leadership style. So in order to progress to the next stage, you need to have the team know each other better. Not only about their title, but who they actually are. Activities like icebreakers or happy hours, anything outside of work, to getting to know each other personally and build that bond between them. This is also where setting clear objectives and creating a strong vision can help the team bring together a charter and help bring alignment and understanding of how the team should work together. As for the leadership style, for those leaders, a directive or telling mode is best. An example of this is telling the team how we should start operating. What are our meetings we need each week? What are the discussions we need to have each week? What are the core working hours? Setting a strong vision and business goals for the team to understand where the company is going. This leadership style will help you progress to the next stage much quicker. Now let's talk about the next stage, storming. Get your umbrellas because this is going to be a tough